Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I'm about to show you how you can redeem Google Play gift card on your device. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store. So as you tap on it, there's a drop-down menu. So from there, you'll have to tap on payment and subscription. Remember that the feature differ from one phone to another. In case if you don't have these kind of feature, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the try bar icon in the top left corner. So from there you'll have to tap on redeem code. As you can see, I have a different feature. So what you have to do is you simply have to tap on payment and subscription. So once you do that, on the other page you can see right at the bottom there is redeem code. Tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to enter the code, and once you're done entering it, tap on redeem, which is right at the bottom. If the provided information is correct, you'll receive a confirmation. After that, you'll even receive a reward. So in order to claim it, tap on claim, and then in case if you don't want to do it right now, so then tap on later. So that is how you can redeem your Google Play gift card on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.